Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of solution landforms of the world SST. First we will discuss fill in the blanks. The lowland between two mountains is called valley. The dash plateau is known as the roof of the world, Tibetan plateau. Question number 3. A triangular piece of land near the mouth of a river is called delta. Number 4. A perennial river starts in the mountain. And the last fill in the blanks. The tip of the peninsula is called cape. Now next exercise. Name these. The largest desert in the world is Sahara. The longest river in the world is Nile. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. An island country in the Indian Ocean is Sri Lanka. A plateau in India is Deccan Plateau. Now we will answer the following question. First question, what are the landforms? Name the main landforms of the earth. Answer, the different features that make up the earth's surface are called landform. There are four main landforms: plain, plateau, mountain, desert. Now the second question, what are the fold mountain? Give an example. Fold mountain, yes. This is the fold mountain. Some mountains are formed when two large land masses push against each other. They are called fold mountain. Example, Rockies in North America and Alps in Europe are the fold mountain. Now question number 3. What is the difference between mountain and plateau? Mountains are rocky masses of land that rise higher than the hills. And the plateau, a large of land that is higher than surrounding and more or less flat at the top of known as plateau. Yes, now the next question is, what is peninsula? Give an example. Peninsula, a landmass which projects into the sea and is surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. For example, the Sinai and peninsula in Egypt. What is the difference between perennial river and seasonal river? Yes. Perennial rivers have water throughout the year. They are formed by they have water throughout the year and are called perennial river. They are formed by melting snow in glacier. For example, Ganga, Yamuna. And seasonal rivers are formed by rainwater. They do not have the water throughout the year. Such rivers are called seasonal rivers. For example, Godavari, Kaveri. What is the difference between tributary and distributaries? Yes, tributary. Along the course of the river, several smaller rivers join the main river. They are called tributaries. And the distributaries? This keeps getting deposited on the way and cause the river to break up into the channels or distributaries. This is we called distributaries. Now the last question, what is the desert? name some important deserts of the world. Deserts are extremely dry area of land. There is very little rainfall and very few plants grow in desert. Deserts have the extreme temperature. Example: Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Atacama Desert, Thar Desert, etc. Now, map work. First, we will discuss mountain: Himalayas, Alps, Rockies. This is the map of mountain. Here we can see Alps, Rockies, and Himalayas. Now the next map is desert. There is Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Atacama Desert, and Thar Desert. Now this is the map of rivers. In this map you can see Nile, Congo, and Ganga river. Now this is the map of plateau. Here is the Tibetan plateau, which you can see near above to India. Now next is Deccan Plateau. This is in India. Island, map of island. A small piece which you can see, this is the Australia. Greenland above, Andaman and Nicobar near to India. Now multiple choice question. The Black Forest mountain are, what is the correct answer? Fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain, glacier. Yes, Black Forest are mountain are block mountain. Now question number 2. Lowland between hills and mountains is called a pass, valley, peak, plateau. Of course it is valley. Now question number 3. The landforms that are most heavily populated are coast, plateau, plains, mountain. Plains, where we find the most heavily population. The Kalahari Desert lies in South Africa, South America, North America, Europe. It is in South Africa. And the last MCQ is, a small river that flow into the main river are called distributaries, tributaries, perennial river, seasonal river. This is tributaries. Yes. Now we will discuss horse. Jaisalmer is a town in desert area of Rajasthan. Allahabad is a town in the northern plains where two rivers meet. In the town, will you accept that the population to be more? Why? Yes, there is the population in Allahabad because there two rivers meet and this is the flat area where we can find the heavily population. Now the second, when we study history, we find the most civilization developed along the river. Why it is that so? In history, we find that great civilization have always developed along the rivers, as the soil is richest here and the rivers provide water for drinking, domestic and agriculture purpose. So, civilization developed along the river most. Thank you.